started recording.
Okay, go ahead. Watch this go down, right? Watch this go down, folks. If I got volume, watch how this is gonna go down. Oh, and that's what happens at the Blizzard. Oh, part 2. Gotta watch, folks. A lot of violence. Oh, yikes. How's that? That's it. That's it. That's the spirit. That's a nice hustle. That's what I'm talking about. That's the Blizzard action for you. Oh, that's how we treat the students when they don't listen. That's right. Read your book. New and old, a lot of snow. I'm glad if you got volume, I'm glad I am not part of this. Wow. All right. Thanks. And I'm out. What do I press in this?
I have no idea.